Mrs. inkosi yakwaZulu. Mamela mfowethu, mamela umzala wakho. Wena siyakuhlula isiZulu. Awusuye umZulu wena. Yazi ukuthi yini wena isiZulu? UliSwati. UmSwati wena. Asho njalo phela ama South Africans. UmSwati lo. UliSwati wena. No thina iSwazini wanothi bomSwati. Mswati inkosi yakangwane. Mina ngisimswati. NgiliSwati. LiSwati. Bengimamela uMisizulu akhuluma namaZulu abantu isive sakhe sakwaZulu. UMisizulu siyamhlula isiZulu. Ngimamele, listen very closely to Misizulu. Misizulu is speaking Siswati because Misizulu is a Swazi. And also there's a huge influence of America. Misizulu is a Swazi American like myself. He's not a Zulu. I'm surprised he's a Zulu king. King Misizulu of Zululand is not a Zulu king. He's a Zulu king by title, but by upbringing, he is a Swazi, he's American. I'm sitting here listening to him. I said, this man is not a Zulu. Mina I'm half Zulu, half Swazi, and I recognize both. Ngiyasazi Zulu. Ngiyasazi neSwati. Ngiyasazi neSmerika. So Mrs. Zulu, I'm here to tell you, you are more Swazi and American than you are Zulu. King of Zululand, Mrs. Zulu, you are more Swazi and more American than Zulu, and you are a Zulu king. This is your cousin telling you that loves you dearly. So I'm here to tell you that we are speaking isiZulu wena. Awukhuluma isiZulu sangempela. Ukhuluma isifana ngalo. Ukhuluma isifana ngalo. Ukhuluma Swati. Uphinze ukhuluma isiMerika nesiZulu. You are a Swazi American, but you are a Zulu king. I just had to tell you, my cousin, because you are convinced you are speaking Zulu, talking to the nation of Zululand, but you are speaking Siswati. The influence is deep. If you know Siswati, you know Mrs. Zulu is speaking Siswati and speaking American. Good night. I just had to tell you, Mrs. Zulu is a Swazi American. Nothing Zulu about him. He's a king of the Zulu nation and the Zulu empire, but he is not Zulu. He's really a Swazi that was raised in Swaziland in these United States. And I can hear the intonation that he is not Zulu. Thank you. Bye-bye. You can get mad all you want. I know Mrs. Zulu's people will come here, some of the Zulus who don't know what I'm talking about. They will come here and fight with me, but that's cool and fine. Mrs. Zulu is not Zulu by tradition. He is Swazi, and he's American. Thank you. Bye-bye. The king of Zululand. Swazi American. Bye-bye. Just like me.